This video will show you how to read policy document results. So first we're going to add a quick search and make sure that you're on the Policy Documents tab. We're going to use one of the example searches here. So our results list should look like this. You have the image thumbnail on the left-hand side, noted with a red bar. Red bars mean policy documents. You have the title, mask type for COVID-19 positive wearer, and then the source that published the policy document, in this case the State of New South Wales, and the date it was published. You can sort your results by date or by citation count as well. You have topics that are identified within the document and the option to tag policy documents to create a folder or a set of documents to analyse further. You have the option to download the PDF here and then a snippet showing you the instances of where your key terms have appeared in the document. They're also hyperlinked, so if I click on page 2, it will take me to page 2 of this policy document. If I click Show More, I can see further instances of the appearance of my terms and again click to where they appear within the document. We minimize that. Where a document is cited by other policy documents, it will be noted. So for example here, this document has been cited by 7 other policy documents. If we scroll down further, you can also see a little grey box saying cited by key sources on some of the entries here. So key sources are customizable and user curated, so they are up to you to identify. You can select and deselect as many as you like. When an organisation has been cited in a policy document that comes from one of your key sources, this grey box will appear to indicate that to you. If I then want to see scholarly research within policy documents, we can use a few filters to do so. If I want to see policy documents which cite or mention my institution, for example, we can click on the institution. We'll use Edinburgh as an example here, and our results change a little bit. So now you can see that a blue bar has appeared, and this indicates a scholarly citation. So the blue bar is the title of a journal article, Face Masks for the Public During the COVID-19 Crisis, and it was published in the BMJ, and they've identified an author from the University of Edinburgh. And this scholarly article has been cited in this policy document. Occasionally, you will see a stack of policy documents shown in the image thumbnail. For example, here. This indicates that a policy document is made up of multiple PDFs. It's also indicated next to the Download PDF button. It'll show you how many PDFs there are. So if I wanted to click and download these PDFs, I would go on to the policy document in question and download from there. Some citations also have a double bar. So you can see here we have a red and a blue bar in the search result. This occurs when a policy document might also be classed as a scholarly article. This also happens when a policy document has been given a DOI.